This is Nazrul Islam. My PhD from Academy of Scientific and Innovative Research, CSIR, India. The research work was carried out in CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Jorhat, Assam. The title of my PhD thesis is Environmental and Toxicological Effects of Atmospheric Particulate Matter in Urban Area, under the supervision of Dr. Binoy Kumar Saikia. As you know, particulate matter pollution is a mixture of tiny airborne solid or liquid droplets suspended in air with diameter in the range of few nanometer to 100 micrometer. Industrial emissions, wildfire emissions, fossil fuel burning, vehicular emissions, dust blowing are the major cause of particulate matter emissions in ambient air. These particulates can penetrate deep into lungs and other parts of our body, worsening health problems and causing minor to serious symptoms. The study on health toxicity of particulate matter is the major gap for aerosol research. The present thesis work mainly includes the environmental and toxicological effects of particulate matter in commercial, road traffic and residential area and their deposition on the surface of soil and culturally important heritage monuments. Air particulate matter sampling was performed by using fine particulate sampler, respirable dust sampler and high volume sampler for the collection of PM2.5, PM10 and total suspended particulate matter. Air and soil sampling was also performed during monsoon season to study the deposition of particulate matter on the surface of residential and road traffic soil. This is the first time we have evaluated the formation of black rust on culturally important heritage monuments like Ranghar, Karanghar and Talatal Dhar of northeastern region of India with permission of Archaeology Department of India. The collected samples were extracted by using defined extraction method like short slit and ultrasonication processes for their characterization. This study shows that the concentration of particulate matter for each study site exceeds the Indian National Ambient Air Quality Standard limit. This study also confirms the presence of different types of anthropogenic particles associated with particulate matter emitted from road traffic and residential area. These observed particulates are fly ash, soot, mineral, and some biogenic aerosols such as pollen and brochrosome as analyzed by electron microscopy technique. This atmospheric particulate matter is found to be toxic at cellular and genetic level during the exposure of higher concentration, that is 200 microgram per ml. During monsoon season, the meteorological parameters play an important role in the enhancement of particulate matter or cleaning of air through deposition of this particle. This particulate matter deposition also deteriorate the building structures and culturally important heritage monuments. This study shows the presence of gypsum and anthropogenic nanoparticles on the surfaces which are responsible for formation of black rust. The toxicological study both in vitro and in vivo such as cytotoxicity, genotoxicity, bioaccessibility and histopathology confirms that these black rust samples are non-toxic during short span of exposure. Atmospheric particulate matter consists of 45 to 90% carbon content. This atmospheric carbon can be used as a source material for the production of high-value nanodiamond. Advanced level of characterization techniques confirms their facial formation. This thesis work will surely help in mitigation of atmospheric pollution by sustainable utilization of pollutant waste into high-value nanodiamond. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.